In this lecture, you will learn how to validate keywords using Google Trends. You can access Google Trends by going to google.com/trends. Open menu and then click Explore. Now start adding search terms one by one from your shortlisted keyword list. For example, let me type just talk app and press enter key. Now click compare and add the next search term. Let me enter TWC remote control app and press enter key. Similarly, let me enter all the top organic keywords we have found for brighthand.com. But you can only compare a maximum of 5 keywords at once. However, you can replace any search term with another one at any point of time, which makes it easy to get a clear comparison. From the graph of interest over time, it is clearly evident that Just Talk app and difference between Apple and Android are the two worthy keywords. Other three have very meager traffic compared to these two. This is called keyword validation process. Once you do this process, you will know which keyword to keep in your shortlist and which one to remove. Also, you can convert any broad keywords into long tail keywords using Google Trends. I will show you how. Scroll down. You need to go to this rising category instead of top, because under top category you get long tail keywords with mixed level of difficulty. That is, no detail is provided in terms of difficulty or competition. Whereas under rising category you get trending long tail keywords or breakout keywords with low competition, which are easier to rank quickly. Like I mentioned, the not so long tail keyword Just Talk app is converted into a trending long tail keyword Just Talk app for Android. But for the keyword difference between Apple and Android, there are no items in rising or top category, which means the keyword is already in the best form of long tail nature. Now let me replace decrypt RxF keyword with best phone for Microsoft Office and the last one with difference between iOS and Android, as these are the last keywords available in our shortlist for brighthand.com. In these two, difference between iOS and Android is worthy, but best phone for Microsoft Office has very meager traffic compared to others. So after validation, we get only 3 keywords from the list of 7. They are Just Talk app for Android, difference between Apple and Android, and difference between iOS and Android. If you write a perfect SEO optimized article with these finalized keywords, definitely you will reach the top spot, or at least in the top 3 spots in Google search. This is the tactic to get into the front page of Google using a low competitive, decent traffic breakout keywords. To consolidate what we have done till now, first we manually found out 1 to 3 competitors using Google search. Then using SpyFu, SimilarWeb, and Alexa tools, we expanded the list of competitors from 3 to around 12. Using SEMrush and SimilarWeb, we collected the first set of top organic keywords of those 12 competitors. Using SpyFu and Alexa, we collected the second set of top organic keywords of those competitors. We have shortlisted the keywords and organized them in a spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel. Using Google Trends, We have validated the shortlisted keywords and removed the unworthy ones. At last, we have converted the broad keywords into trending long tail keywords or breakout low competition keywords using Google Trends. Once you complete all these 7 steps, you will get a validated list of around 50 to 60 top organic long tail keywords. Using these keywords, you can start writing articles or posts in your website one by one. Once you cover these 50 to 60 keywords with one article for each of these keywords, you would have got a complete website with 50 to 60 articles or pages. Even by the time you finish these 60 articles, definitely you should have got into the front page for 10 to 20 keywords. In the next lecture, you will learn how to use Google AdWords Keyword Planner tool to find the top organic keywords of specific landing pages.